So in the last video we left off with the headlights not fitting and the manifold not fitting, but we got it in, man, and it sounds amazing. What we had to do is wallow these out even more than what I was doing with my little 1/2-inch drill bit. And then shouts out to Clayton for being able to help me with everything, and also shout out to my girlfriend's dad for having the right tools. I don't even know where they are. And instead of putting the OEM headlights back in there, these guys, I'm going with just these right here. They're like $8 a piece at Walmart, so that should work. And today my side skirt should be in and my ducktail should be in, so I'm going to unbox those in this video. We're going to fix the trunk setup and probably put the rear lip on as well. So yeah. Alright, so now we got the new headlights in. For $8 a piece, they actually look really good, and Clayton said they're actually really bright. By the way, this is Clayton.
Whoa.
And got the O2 in, got the header on. It's stout, it looks great in there. I gotta put the hose clamp back on here. We're gonna get it off the jack stand, move all the tools, and then we're gonna do an exhaust clip. Alright, so now that's all done, we're going to work on taking everything out and trimming the wood flooring back, just so I can get the sub box to fit in there all the way. Yeah, everything is hooked up, but this isn't where it's staying. I'm actually going to move the amp to behind the passenger seat and then self-tap it to that little back wall right there. Oh, there's a squirrel over there. I was like, what is that? And we're still waiting on FedEx or UPS, whatever one of my packages are coming in. Dang, I thought that was it right there. Nope, just a plumbing truck. Alright, so this is taking a little bit more time than we expected. You don't need to see that, it's nasty. But we're having to recut a majority of our wood flooring in the back because my trunk was leaking, and you can see how nasty this was getting. Like, I feel like that's mold.
Nah.
You want to lick it?
No, I'm good, man. Natural penicillin.
Yeah. No, so we're recutting everything, but the links that we're cutting everything, the sub's going to fit just fine, which is what I've been waiting for. So yeah, let me show you where we're going to put the sub too. I mean, not the sub, but the amp. Right here. And it's so small that it doesn't really mess with the seat or anything like that. So yeah, that's that, and I'll update you whenever we get everything back in. Alright, so now we got the side skirts in, which I want to make a video on how to reinforce those because I think I found a way to do so. And I got my ducktail in. We've already put it didn't come with the 3M tape on there, we had to do it, but now we're going to put this on the trunk and also move that out of the way. Got the trunk done, and you want to turn the lights on? It's in the center console. Focus. I mean, everything looks clean in here now too.
And you got that amp tucked away.
And we have all the amp wires and all that tucked right down there. And with the seat back, you don't even. Why are you spinning like that, man? You can't even tell that it's all there with the seat back and stuff, so that's even better. So now we're going to get the ducktail thrown on, and I'll show you what the car looks like after that. And then this video will be done because, well, actually, should we put the rear lip on tonight?
We could, if not.
We could, but we're going to need the heat gun. We'll probably put the rear lip on tonight. If not, then I'll put it on the same day that I do the side skirts and stuff. So yeah. So we got the rear lip on, not the side skirts, but the rear lip is now on. And this just makes the car look 100 times better. Can't really see it from that angle, but if we step back here you can see it. It's not too obnoxious or anything like that. That's gonna be it for this video. It's already starting to get dark outside. I got the side skirts. This is what I'm gonna be using to adhere to keep them from doing the baconing. And then the rear lip, that will be going on soon. And that's pretty much it before IFO. I got the header and the new headlights and all that stuff on. Not the headlights that I wanted. I might try to fab those up later on to make that work better. But yeah, anyway, be sure to subscribe, guys, and peace out.